You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this verb, the two different forms for this verb. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. The verb itself, the top word on your screen is hush. Hush. Now the simple past, or the past tense, also the participle, is pronounced as hushed. Yes, there's a T sound at the end rather than, so it's not hushed or hushed, but replace the ED with a T, hushed. To hush and hushed. How to pronounce in English? Hush, hushed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.